Sorry about that. Well, good morning, everybody. It is currently 3:25 here on the East Coast. And the reason I'm doing this video is because of that thing right there, Tropical Storm Arthur. It appears that it has intensified some more. As of the 2 o'clock advisory, the max pressure was, the minimum pressure was 1,001 millibars. So the pressures keeps dropping, and now the winds are up to 60 miles an hour. In case you didn't hear me, I said 60 miles per hour. Let me see what mine has to say. Charleston, South Carolina. Let me see what that has to say. That's mine right there. Okay, the same thing as continued. I just want to know what I had to say. Let's see if they change the forecast around. Well, while the current cone keeps it away from the coast of my state, I may have to deal with some rain bands with some embedded tornadoes from it. As we all know, with tropical systems like that, they have a tendency to produce stuff like that. And on its northward trajectory, it should keep doing that through 8 o'clock this evening before turning northeast. Hatteras was hit very hard back in 2012 when that superstorm hit them. We all remember Superstorm Sandy. We all know what that thing did to the northeast. Well, if it keeps doing what it's doing, it could become a hurricane before noon. Because that thing blew up about this time yesterday morning. Wait, not yesterday morning, but yeah, it was later on yesterday morning, but that's when they first called it a tropical storm. Within the first 12 hours of development, it went from 40 mile an hour to now 60. Could get even stronger before it becomes I'm pretty sure it could do that before tonight, because that thing's is getting its act together fast. So yeah, I'll keep you posted on what goes on with this thing. I may start seeing the weather go downhill later on tonight, but let's see what's going on with that. I just clicked on HLSCHS local statements. That one's mine there. Like I said, Charleston office, South Carolina. They're probably going to have a field day tomorrow. Yeah, tropical storm, really severe thunderstorm warnings at this time of morning. Yeah, they got tropical storm warnings issued from, what was it? I'm gonna go around to the store during daylight. Well, I still got time. Because of that. See what, let me see what, it did. Oh, jeez. Yeah, they got a tropical storm warning that includes all of the Charleston County coast. And then, watches. That's what I'm going to say. Watches posted for all of the Charleston County coastline right there. And then warnings off to where all the buoys are at out here. They're telling mariners to stay aware of what's going on out there. Let me see what it had to say. Okay, let me see what it says. Okay, let me read you this. It says, urgent, immediate broadcast requested, Tropical Storm Arthur local statement, National Weather Service, Charleston, South Carolina. Issued at 1:53 a.m. Eastern Time. Tropical Storm Watch remains in effect for parts of the coastal waters. New information. The statement updated the position and strength of Tropical Storm Arthur. Areas affected. The local statement offers guidance and recommendations as well as for mariners as well as other marine interests along all coastal waters in southeast South Carolina, southeast Georgia. Watches and warnings. For marine interests, a tropical storm watch continues for portions of southeast South Carolina, southeast Georgia. Like I said earlier, that for my immediate area, it's mainly for Charleston County, the coast of Charleston County. The storm information at 2 a.m., center of Tropical Storm Arthur was located near latitude 28.0 north, longitude 79.1 west. The storm is about 330 miles south of Charleston, South Carolina, and about 300 miles south-southeast of Savannah, Georgia. Slow motion was north at 355 degrees at 4 miles an hour. Storm intensity was 60 miles an hour. Situation overview. Tropical Storm Arthur, which is forecast to become a hurricane Thursday morning. So, I'm assuming it could do that earlier than that. Is expected to pass just east of the coastal waters late Wednesday night into Thursday. The path could push tropical storm force winds into parts of the coastal waters. Precautionary preparedness actions. Regarding the coastal waters under a watch, small craft should return to port or seek safe harbor. A small craft should remain in port Wednesday night and Thursday. Closely monitor no other radio and other local news outlets for the latest official storm information and weather forecasts. The next local statement will be issued by the National Weather Service in Charleston around 6 a.m. or sooner if conditions warrant. So yeah, I'll keep it posted on what evolves. But oh my gosh, this could be really bad. Yeah, I may all have to deal with the rain bands, the outer bands, but if I'm lucky, if it keeps heading north and it makes landfall here, then I might be in for a long night tonight, or Thursday night. But anyway, I'll keep you guys posted, and that should conclude the video.